Community is incredible.
I'm all about communities and how we empower others around them.
Powerful alone, and yet incredibly better together.
The people in this community are amazing, awesome, always willing to help.
I have benefited from this community a lot. I have learned a lot. I have learned a lot from the people that I've met. And it's almost been a second family for me.
I think it's a great community to share ideas and content about the Microsoft business applications.
From a professional perspective, I've learned so much from everybody else. Yet at the same time, I feel like I've barely scratched the surface on what to offer.
The community gives everyone a space to feel empowered, to connect, share, and learn more from each other. And finally, encourages everybody to pay it forward.
Whatever it is, I know that there's someone out there that can help me out and will drop everything to just, try and sort out something that I'm struggling with.
It's been helpful to know that you have that voice out there, that you have somebody out there who's able to help you. Whether you're a low coder, a pro coder, a startup, or an enterprise, wherever you are, the people in this community that will help you get there.
I want to share knowledge. I want to help other people in getting places.
I give to the community through my blogs or speaking in user groups, but at the same time, the users and the community gives back to me.
The community is amazing for that because not only can you learn from others, but you can go ahead and just invest a small amount of your time to learn the skills that you need to get a different type of job.
I'm looking forward to an even more amazing journey in the future as well.
And I really think those connections will be something that I very much look forward to, just seeing a person in the same room together and just having conversations.
I really hope we can get back to in-person events. I really hope we can get back to seeing people again, to hanging out, to just talking about stuff and just being silly.
If you're not part of this community, what are you waiting for? Come join us.